Borre ba diphiri ba setse ba buile and ba emetswe ke dijo tse dingwe gape. Borre ba ba gaetsho ba dira ka natla tlhe. They really deserve to be catered for. Bomme le bona ke bao, they have already started peeling some of the vegetables, preparing for a night vigil of cooking. So ke tlwaelo gore around 5 p.m. stopo sa goroga mo lelapeng, moruti o tla ba se gorosa, and other community members also arrive to pay homage. The cops will spend a night in a bedroom where the elderly women have been sleeping the whole week as a sign of mourning. The cooking normally starts around just after midnight until 8 a.m. So so on the day of the funeral, the service can start at home and proceed to a church, or just head straight to the graveyard from home. It is just entirely up to the family. So the procedure is that dikoloi tshwantse di tsamaye ka tatelano, di tsamaye bonya, because we are carrying it's a sign of respect to the deceased. That is why this kind of procedure. Then the first thing the deceased mo teng ga mosima wa gagwe, and moruti o dira tsa tshwantseng go se dira, the burial rites and everything else, you know. So rena ne rena le part 2 ya ko mabitleng e leng pulo ya letlapa. We have started doing this when my grandfather passed away. Immediately we do the unveiling of the tombstone, because ceremonies in the villages are very expensive, guys. So we are trying to cut costs by doing everything at once, and it has worked for us. So yeah, and after everything is done, as you can see my uncle in the yellow overalls there, wa leboga dira the vote of thanks, o leboga batho ba batlileng gore tshegetsa mo nakong ya rona ya kutlo botlhoko, and also wa bolela gore ba ska lebala gore they go back go gae so that they can have metsi le dijonyana o kile bona tsela le tsele. So yeah, so the other part that I did not cover here ke karolo ya go gae ba bitsang ditatudi, mo ileng gore ha re boela gae o tla be gona dikgosi kgotsa mokhanselara ba re fa di announcements. Well, this is not part of the procedures tsa loso la Setswana, but it is just to show you guys gore even in the rural areas we do have what we call the after tears. So here our other family members so they were going back home. It was late Saturday, and yeah, the exhaustion, guys. It has been a whole week of a draining week. So yeah, man, we were entertaining ourselves a little bit. It's a Sunday here, and it's a day after the funeral, where we are washing everything that the deceased was using. And just cleaning the house, keeping everything clean, we have now moved. We are on the other side of the house. Apparently this is a way to closure to move forward without the deceased, and everything must be completed before 12 midday. But I will just keep on researching. As I said, Malume also performs his duties of cleansing and all other family members. This is a process believed to remove the dark cloud of death in the family. And all family members, females in this case, are given a chance to pick clothing items of their choice. This is a way of having something of sentimental value. So ka hopola muswi ka sona. Diaparo tse di sa tlhopiwang di a fisiwa. Ke tshepa le go dumela gore re go diretse molemo. Amo wa gago bone tapologo e sa khutleng. robala ka kagiso setlogolo sa barolo o ba dumedise ka koo.